It's day 64 of the $1,000 account challenge, and today I'm down $45 in the account, so it's not the biggest red day, but it could have been an extremely green day. What happened? The watch list absolutely took off. I just missed, in quotation marks, a lot of the entries. What am I talking about? Let's go to the day trade watch list and check it out. MU, long idea above 120.5. MU opens up and runs all the way to highs of 127. But look at this thing. Running with hardly any sort of pullback. Google, long idea above 152. Google opens up and does the same exact thing. Big pop move, running, all the way to highs of 155, but no real pullback here. Meta, next one on the watch list. This was a long idea above $490, I believe. Yes, 490. Breaks the trigger level and runs all the way highs of 497. But again, run, and no sort of pullback. So did I really miss the move here, or was I just following my trading plan? Because these are typically trades that I would not take because it feels like I would be chasing. Ideally, on any one of these setups, what I would want to see is the breakout like this, yes, but also some sort of pullback, some sort of red candle that dips down, holds the majority of the gains, and then rallies back up to the high of day. I feel much more comfortable taking an entry on a dip rather than chasing the move up. So I've learned this over time, and maybe this is just experience speaking, but if you ever feel like you've missed a move, chances are you have. And while chasing these moves in this scenario would have worked had we market bought any of these at the high of day, we likely would have gotten the move higher. That is not always going to be the case. In fact, more oftentimes than not, by market buying at the high of day and chasing the move, you're going to find that you're actually going to lose money rather than get a continuation higher. So today was an exceptional day, yes, but we don't know how would we know that in real time? So I think that in this scenario, I'm actually just following my trading plan and my trading style and staying true to that rather than chasing these big runners up. So what trade did I take that put me red on the day? Amazon off of the watch list was a long idea above 182. Now with everything else running, I thought that Amazon also was going to be a runner, but I liked the pick on Amazon over everything else because Amazon was offering us a pullback. So here's your 1 minute time frame. Amazon opens up, pulls back to 182, and then rallies. I did not take that entry because it's still within that first 5 minutes, right? I usually don't trade in that time frame. So we do get another perfect pullback retest of 182 area as support. The bounce up, I go long on this green candle looking for that high of day move, and we just don't get it. Instead, the stock curls over, and I wound up cutting the position right here as it was curling over and breaking back below $182. Now, why didn't I cut it previously? Because my stop was actually down here at 181.5. I was giving this a little bit more room to work, but after I noticed this first dip down and then the rally back up off of that dip, I figured at this point, it would be creating lower highs. I'll draw that with a trend line, as well as lower lows. And I did not want to be caught up in a position that was creating lower highs and lower lows while I'm long on it. So I made the decision to cut there, and it was the right choice to make because look at this next move that Amazon gives you. It fully retraces the opening pop. So even though this was a losing trade, it was the right choice to take that loss early rather than to hold and hope. So unfortunately, maybe just a little bit too much hesitation today, maybe just me staying true to my trading style, or maybe just me actually missing the moves. I don't know, but that all put me red on the day, and not having a stock that gave us follow through here on Amazon also contributed to that. The key takeaway from this video is that sometimes you will have a hot market and big moves, but it's okay to not participate, especially if you feel like it goes against the grain of who you are as a trader. So keep that in mind moving forward. Thank you so much for your time in watching this video. I hope that it's helped you out. Press that like button for me if it has, and consider subscribing to the YouTube channel as well, as it's just the best way to support me as a content creator. Cheers, and I will see you tomorrow when we continue the $1,000 account challenge.